What you see in the 2018 Jaguar XJR575 is pretty much what you get. This full-size sedan is Jaguar's next performance icon, bookending the brand's lineup at the opposite end of the size spectrum from the F-Type SVR Coupe and Roadster. Settling into territory currently occupied by the Audi RS7, BMW Alpina B7 and Mercedes S63 AMG. Performance upgrades to this stately XJ sedan certainly deliver the desired effect. The XJR575 might be the liveliest full-size, factory-tuned sedan money can buy. And it's mighty powerful. Just wait until your passenger asks what that red 575 in the middle of the dash means. You'll explain with muscle car grade sprints off the line, or stomach squeezing jabs at the gas from 50. Or a load of usable torque that means ever more speed no matter how fast you're already going when you jam it. The 575 is plenty quick, especially as 2-ton sedans approaching 18 feet in length go, but it's important in the public interest to note that it's not going to be the quickest in its class. We're confident that the revised 2018 MBS63, sampled in similar circumstances about 6 weeks prior, is measurably quicker to 60 maybe 3 or 4/10 quicker, even if we aren't sure why. The 575's power-to-weight ratio is nearly 10% better. The best explanation might be the extra ratio in the Mercedes 9-speed, or its clutch-operated engagement, or the distribution of grip from its all-wheel drive. Or a combination of the three. We're also confident that, on the right sort of roads in the right weather, you're probably not going to care much that the 575 is a hair slower off the line.